Good. This is Sam draining the oil from said vehicle. Sucks, my car won't face the same way because this is like perfect right here.
Okay, you got
Yeah, you need a funnel for that, or what? How do you want to do that?
yeah.
I mean, if your catch thing was clean, we could have just used it, but
It is.
is it spotless clean?
Well, I will wipe with a rag. It just has dust in it.
All right,
Let her go.
let her go.
I just take that.
This is so exciting. All right. And there's oil coming out. All right. I need to show all the oil coming out. Jesus.
Yeah, about right there. We'll plug it.
Well, let it go a little bit. All right. Well, you get the drift. The oil's coming out.
Gotta do the oil filter. Actually, this might be hard to see it. It's kind of rust on there.
The oil filter?
Oh, but it's kind of rust going on. Putting a new one on.
You ever not have one of those wrenches?
Yeah.
Remember, I didn't have one, and I stuck a screwdriver through it.
I had one that crushed it with this. It was stuck on.
Yeah, some people make the mistake of over tightening it.
Cranking them.
Yeah, it is. You
Yeah.
take it off. Yeah, it's rolling. All I gotta do is snug it up.
Chunks in there. Yep, it's got the. This is actually on a truck. The oil filter's up on the side.
Right.
It's a van. It has a remote oil filter.
Oh,
You
so
got your
it's-
supply and return
I gotcha. It's pumped in.
from where it would be on a truck.
They don't do it on the van because you can't get to it.
You can't get to it.
But if one of them hoses go bad, that's always good.
Yeah. That's the here.
All right, throw that son of a bitch on there. That sure looks shiny. Did until you got all dirty. All right.
3,000 miles.
All right, go ahead. I'm rolling. So you're putting the, what is it? That's the pre-treatment in. And then we're gonna throw some oil in it. While Sam is topping off the oil, I'm gonna go get a shot of the odometer. And it says Sam's a loser. Now, 161,132.8 or 38. And now Sam will finish filling the car with oil, drive it 50 miles, and we'll get the oil out. There's the mileage. Can we see it? Right. Man, 61 miles. All right. Now, down the steps. You got something to catch it in? Oh yeah, you got your clean bucket.
Yep.
Good to go. This is the oil after 61 miles with Synergen. Lefty Lucy.
Cut, retard on the set.
And you can tell we're not making a lot of money because we can't afford a socket. Us in our camo hats have to use wrenches for everything. Oh yeah. And there it is. That light bright right there? Good. Alright, now that other clear jug over there, why? Thank you. Oh no, you can. We'll just fill it half off that. Right on. So, what did you guys do this weekend?
Snowblowed the driveway twice yesterday.
Yep.
I'm thinking that oil isn't as dark as
No.
3,000 mile oil. But it's hard to tell right here.
No, it's not.
Should take it to a lab for contaminants. That would be.
That'd be the plan.
Mm-hmm. They'd be like, what the hell is this? Cleaner is solution. This is your problem.
So how come there's so much water dripping off the front of this damn thing? Huh?
Oh.
Look at it.
If I was, have a pull in and.
Just put the plug back in.
Okay.
Oh, he's
You'll
about
be here
done.
for a week.
He's about done.
Yeah. We'll let it.
There it is. All right.
I don't know, man. We should have filmed with Nick.
Nick? Why? Nick would have been more.
He's our mechanic.
Oh, is he? Oh, he is your guys' mechanic. He's got family that's a mechanic. He's mechanic by blood.
Oh, son.
That kind of sucks. All right. Once you get that on there enough to where it's not dripping,
We'll get
we'll pour it into this jug and then we can quit taping.
So when does he start serving?
It's, I think, in the 20th. Like something like that, March 20th or 22nd or something like that.
Is he gonna do appeal it?
I don't, he has no, how could he appeal it?
I don't know. It just sounds.
This sounded good?
Yeah.
All right. That's our Synergen 60 mile oil. You got a clean funnel, cool. There we go.
Yeah, this is
All right.
backyard hooping.
This is nothing but awesomeness.
And
Then the oil goes into the funnel, into the jug. Man, my stitches is tight, dog. Is it warm?
No.
Is it like hot apple pie?
Not getting any.
Into the van, along with the fresh oil. And you can see the mileage has not changed, so, or you can try to see the mileage hasn't changed.